about the phylum Mollusca. This is the second largest phylum after the phylum Arthropoda. And the term mollusca derived from the word mollis. It refers soft. They are soft-bodied animals, the molluscans. And the habitat of this phylum Mollusca, they are aquatic, both fresh as well as marine water form, and some are terrestrial. The best example for terrestrial form is apple snail, what we call it as phylum. In Kannada we call it as Basavana Hulu anta kariteve. And the general characteristics, they show organ grade of organization. Means the organ, group of organs together perform one particular function. Next, they show bilateral symmetry. The body shows bilateral symmetry. The body can divide into two equal halves. That is called as bilateral symmetry. And the body wall is made up of three germinal layers. Okay, the outer ectoderm and inner endoderm and middle mesoderm. That's why they are called as triploblastic animals. Next, the body division. Okay, the body of the phylum Mollusca is divided into three regions. The first one is anterior head, and the middle, the visceral mass. What about the flesh-like substance? That is called as the visceral mass. And third one is muscular foot. And this foot helps in the locomotion. That is crawling, okay, and walking. For that purpose, this muscular foot helps. And the next characteristic is the body wall is covered by a fleshy mass-like substance that is called as the mantle. The fleshy covering is called as the mantle, or it is also called as the pale. Next, this mantle, okay, secretes a calcareous shell, which gives one more extra covering to the phylum Mollusca. Means the organisms which belongs to the phylum Mollusca, which is the calcareous shell. Next, the digestive system is complete, and it is having a special organ called as radula. It is a rasping organ. Acts as a teeth, helps in the cutting the food particle, the radula. Next, the respiration. The respiration takes place through ctenidia in case of aquatic forms and lungs in case of terrestrial forms. The ctenidia is nothing but the gills. Next, the circulatory system is open type. Means there is no presence of blood vessels. The blood flows randomly, and the dorsal heart exists. The next characteristic, excretory system. The excretion takes place through the metanephria. They are the kidneys. That is the kidneys. Metanephria. And nervous system. It consists of three paired ganglia. Means like this. The oval-like structures. They are called as the ganglia. Three paired ganglia are the nervous system. Means brain disease of the molluscs. And reproduction, sexes are separate, and sexual mode of reproduction takes place, and the fertilization is both internal as well as external. Means the fission of gametes takes place inside the body also, and takes place outside the body also. And development is both direct and indirect. Indirect means it takes place through larval stage. These are all the general characteristics of phylum Mollusca. Okay. Then next one is the classification. Okay. The phylum Mollusca is divided into total 6 classes. Six classes. The first one is monoplacopoda, polyplacopoda, scapopoda, paleocepoda, gastropoda, and cephalopoda. The first monoplacopoda, the best example is Neopalina. And the second polyplacopoda example is chiton. Here chiton, the shells are overlapping. The overlapping shells are exist, And scapopoda, dentalia. Okay, long tubular shell like this. It looks like the elephant tusk. Long tubular shell exists in scapopoda. Example is dentalia. Next, palecypoda. The example is unio. It is also called as freshwater mussel. Okay. In Kannada we call it chappejippu. Okay, the shell is bivalve. The shell is bivalve. Means like this. It exists. Bivalve. And gastropoda. The example is phyla. The phyla is nothing but apple snail in cortex. Apple snail in Kannada we call it as bosongo. The shell is coil. Okay, bosongo. So the shrunk type. The coil shell is present in gastropoda. And last one is cephalopoda. The example is octopus. You know very well the octopus. It's having the 8 arms. This is about the phylum, the mollusca, and general characteristics as well as the classification.